Hello students, welcome to Bvs Physics Classes. In this video, we will discuss this problem. What is this problem is, what they given the problem is. When a piece of polythene is rubbed with wool, a charge of minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 is developed on polythene. The mass transferred to polythene is how many kgs? That is the mass, how much amount of mass is transferred to polythene. They given the options are 11.38 into 10 to the power of 10 raised to minus 19 kg. Second option is 5.69 into 10 raised to minus 19 kg. 2.25 into 10 to the power of minus 19 kg. Fourth option is 9.63 into 10 to the power of minus 19 kg. Okay, my dear students, this is the problem they given. Once again, before solving this problem, once again all of you read this problem. When a piece of polythene, here in this problem we have the two materials are there. One is polythene and another one is wool. Here polythene is rubbed with wool. Polythene is rubbed with wool means, see here, according to electric charge concept, polythene is rubbed with wool. A charge of minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 is developed on polythene. That means polythene material is gaining a negative charge. So here, according to the question, we can able to understand polythene is gaining the negative charge. According to the friction, when the two materials are rubbed, here polythene material is rubbed with the wool. Here polythene is gaining the negative charge. Automatically, wool is also gaining another charge, that is a positive charge. Here electric charges are only two types, that is one is positive charge and another one is negative charge. This is the one point due to the friction. Next, whenever the wool is gaining the positive charge and polythene is gaining the negative charge means, one more concept we try to understand. Here polythene is gaining the negative charge means it gains electrons. From where it gains the electrons? Here from the wool. Due to rubbing process, here wool loses some amount of electrons. How many number of electrons are lost by the wool? Then the same number of electrons are transferring from wool to the polythene. That's why here polythene is having excess amount of electrons. That's why it is gaining the negative charge. Wool loses the electrons. Here there is a in the wool material. Here in the wool material there is a deficiency of electrons. Otherwise, excess amount of protons. Due to excess amount of protons, wool is gaining the positive charge. So here polythene is gaining the negative charge. Wool is gaining the positive charge in this process. Next, one more point. Whenever the wool loses the electrons means it loses some amount of mass. It loses some amount of mass means, that is number of protons is greater than number of electrons. Then automatically this electrons loses means protons having positive charge, electron loses by the wool means some amount of electrons are transferring from wool to polythene. Automatically here we have the number of electrons is greater than number of protons. Number of electrons is greater than number of protons. That's why it is gaining the positive charge. Based on this one, here electrons are transferring from wool to polythene. So polythene is gaining certain amount of mass from the wool to polythene. How much amount of mass is transferred from wool to polythene? They are asking. So here we should try to find out mass transfer to polythene. Come to the solution. In the solution, here number of electrons are transferred from wool to polythene. Next, after transferring the electrons from wool to polythene, polythene is gaining this amount of charge. How much amount of charge? Amount of charge on polythene is minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7, what they given in the question. Next, what is amount of charge on electron? Charge on each electron. What is the charge of an each electron? All of you know, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. This is the given the charge of the electron, that is E minus. Here, how many number of electrons are loses by the wool? We don't know. The same number of electrons are transferring from wool to polythene. How many number of electrons? We don't know. That's why here I am considering the letters number of electrons transferred Bn I am considering. Therefore, according to charge is quantized, according to the concept of charge is quantized, there is charge is quantized. In this concept, Q is equal to Ne. Based on this one, we can able to understand Q is equal to Ne means here N is equal to Q by E. Q value what they given, already they given in the question is minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 divided by here already charge of the electron is also having negative charge, minus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. If you will solve this question, this answer, this fraction, there is a negative sign can be cancelled. After solving this one, 1.25 into 10 to the power of 12. Here these many number of electrons are transferring from wool to polythene. So after transferring the electrons from wool to polythene, polythene is mass, certain amount of mass is increases. That is, mass of the polythene is greater than mass of the wool also we can tell. So here we can write hence, and before going to discuss about that one, mass of electron is Me, that is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. Hence, mass transferred is N into Me. That implies N means 1.25 into 10 to the power of 12 and into mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31. After solving this one, we will get it as 11.375 into 10 to the power of minus 19 kg you will get. Your answer is first.